of Home Science, a comprehensive professional perspective from Mrs. Sunita Arya. Hello. I am Sunita Arya, and for the past 25 years, I have cultivated my expertise in the field of home science education. Whatever questions you may have about a career in home science, I am here to provide the answers. Can home science make me a better cook? Home science is not just about cooking. It provides students with knowledge about nutrition and its requirements, enabling them to understand a healthy lifestyle and impart it upon their families. Home science is intertwined with our daily lives. Many people are influenced by the notion that home science only pertains to the kitchen and other domestic tasks. However, the truth is that home science encompasses every aspect of life and holistic development. Indeed, home science not only addresses every aspect of life, but also fosters holistic development. What do we learn in home science? In home science, we learn about meal planning and modification, culinary arts, tie and dye, block printing, batik printing, stain removal, food adulteration detection, and much more. It is not just a subject, it is a way of life. What are the 5 branches of home science? The 5 branches of home science are food and nutrition, human development, resource management, clothing and textiles, and communication development and extension. Through these 5 branches of home science, what various careers can be pursued? In food and nutrition, we can choose roles such as food quality manager, health club director, food technologist, educator, researcher, consultant, and more. In human development, one can pursue roles like student psychologist, ICDS trainer, educator, researcher, counselor, NGO, and freelance. In resource management, students can become interior designers, event managers, real estate researchers, retail management executives, HRM, consumer activists, ergonomists, education and research personnel. In communication development and extension, students can enter fields like mass communication, journalism, public relations, executive management, event programs, corporate communicator, radio jockey, social researcher, media researcher, education and research, social activism, print and electronic. Ultimately, apparel and fabric science, clothing and textile. Students have many options which you can see on the screen. Many institutes of Delhi NCR offer scholarships in these courses. In which colleges of Delhi NCR do we get admission in these branches of home science? The list is long, like Sri Venkateswara College, Daula Kwan School of Home Economics, Noida. Rest you can view on the screen. Finally, I would like to summarize by saying that home science is a growing and stable field. It utilizes the latest technology and is constantly opening up new avenues. To pursue a career in home science, one needs excellent contextual and technical knowledge, organizational and management skills, and communication skills to advance and succeed in this field. So, let's choose home science, as it's a professional perspective on the world of home science. If you have any further questions, please feel free to email or WhatsApp me at the contact details provided below. I look forward to answering your queries. Thank you.